that this is going to be an enterprise-grade application, one that will require above-average knowledge of developing a PHP and web application. Again, this is not an easy task for any PHP programmer to just pick up and learn this huge application that we built. The flexibility, the opportunities of building very extreme, scalable, functional websites is open with using Magento. Now the only thing that's missing is knowledge and experience. We're hoping that the Academy will bring that to every developer and every company that wants to use Magento internally. It's the certification that I'm going to be overseeing, again, together with the Magento Academy. And that will give some of the companies that are interested in using Magento the opportunity to know that they can use a certified Magento developer. That will allow you to know that the developer that was certified by the Magento Academy is actually able to produce and generate a website that is worth your while and your money. I just want to also use this opportunity to show and talk about some of the new functionality that's coming out with our new versions, both the CE, the Community Edition, and the Enterprise Edition. This is just a very short list of highlights that we are going to be releasing with version 1.4, hopefully by the end of the year for the Community Edition, and version 1.6 for the EE edition that's going to be released hopefully within next week. So to see the full roadmap, both for the Community and the Enterprise Edition, you can visit the URL on top. I don't know if you can see it. It's magentocommerce.com/roadmap. So what are we going to add in Magento version 1.4? Right now we are released Alpha 2 of that version. It includes some very interesting and some functionality that was requested by many of the community members. The first is a CMS WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get kind of editor that allows you to work with native Magento functionality, like including images, URLs to products, etc. So this is a complete working WYSIWYG that allows you to work with Magento, and Magento will translate for you URLs, links, etc. We also introduced something that's a new concept in Magento. We call it the CMS widgets. Those are actually a way of producing what we call page blocks that are configurable by a user. The intention with releasing this is to create even a more enhanced marketplace, allowing developers that want to sell very interesting page blocks and functionality on a page, or supply them for free through Magento Connect, and allow users to configure them, allowing to, again, enhance the experience of the front end of Magento. We hope to have a very good and well-documented method of creating widgets within a week or two, and some videos that will show this functionality. I'm also very proud to announce the new indexing process that we created for Magento 1.4, and we are seeing that we are able to build now indexes for prices, for stock, etc. It's about 200% faster than we were able to do that before. Those that have a large catalog out there, this is a big performance benefit, and again, reducing the amount of requirements on servers, etc., that they need to run a very, very large catalog. Another very big request from the international community was the ability to have URL rewrites per store view or per language. So now every product, every category will be able to have its own URL for a specific store view and language. So that's again a request that was made many times. I promised, I think last time I was here, that we're going to have it, and there you go. So. And of course, I want to talk about the compilation module. I know that that was already introduced, so we are removing the beta title from that, and that's actually stable. Again, giving between 15 to 25% performance improvement, and please free, and I recommend using it in a production environment as well. Some of the highlights for the Magento Enterprise Edition that we're going to release is first and foremost the RMS, or the Rich Merchandise Suite. It's built from many, many different things, and there's a lot more information on our website. But just in a brief description, we are going to have what we call customer segments. This is the ability to segment your customers based on their behavior, based on their location. So if a customer is from Paris versus from Lyon, for example, you will be able to segment them and produce reports on them. You would then be able to use targeted merchandising to show different people, different related items, different upsells, and different cross-sales based again on some of their segments, in addition to any of the regular rules that you're used to see on product attributes, etc. We are also going to enhance that with an engine that's going to supply banners for your customers, so you'll be able to use again the segments and show different banners, different specials for targeted customers that are shopping, viewing your site, and they'll get a very personalized view of a web page when they're visiting your site. And of course, we're enhancing the CMS. We're calling it the CMS Plus, which will allow you to create hierarchies on the pages, have pagination built in automatically while you're creating the CMS. And again, a great addition to the widgets that are, of course, are going to be in both versions. So there's much, much more. I encourage you all to visit our website and learn more about what's coming out in our next versions. And again, thank you very much. I'm really excited to be here, and I'll see you all next month, I hope, at the Magento 3.